Hi, I'm Ellie. Today, I am at the supermarket. Shop with me and learn supermarket English. Ready? Let's go. I take a shopping cart. This is a big supermarket. I usually shop here. I need fruit today. Let's go to the fruit section. I like apples. Do you like apples? These apples look nice. They are red and fresh. I'm taking 2 apples. I'm also buying some bananas. Bananas are sweet and full of potassium. These oranges look fresh too, but I don't need oranges today. I'm in the dairy section. I need to get a carton of milk. Let's see how much the milk is. It is $3. I will take it. Now let's go and look at some vegetables. I need a few tomatoes. I weigh the tomatoes on the scale. Perfect. Let's get some carrots too. They look fresh. I also need to buy bread. Bread is $2. Is this cheap or expensive? Excuse me, where is the rice?
It is in aisle 5.
I have found the rice. I eat rice every day. What about you? Do you eat rice? I see chips and cookies. These snacks look tasty. Snacks are not very healthy, but I can't help it. Do you like snacks? I would like 1 pound of ground meat, please.
Certainly.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I am out of coffee, so I will take a bag of coffee. I almost forgot to get cat food. I am getting 3 cans for my cat. I have everything I need. I am ready to check out.
That will be $35, please.
I will pay by credit card.
Okay? Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you for learning with me today. Please come back and learn more English with Ellie. See you next time. Bye!